This dance is called 4 Strong Winds. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, easy intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot, we're going to weave to the left. So cross right over left, left to the side, right behind, step left to the side. Cross rock, right over left, recover, weight on the left, chassé to the right. Now set of steps once more then. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé. Cross the left over the right into a hinge half turn. So quarter turn left as we step back on the right, quarter turn left as you step the left to the side. Hitch the right, step the right small step to the side as you sway right, sway left, cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. That set of steps once more then. Crossing into that hinge turn, half on the left. 7, 8. Cross, turn, turn, hitch, sway, sway, cross, point. Add those two together. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé. Cross, turn, turn, hitch, sway, sway, cross, point. Weaving back to the right, crossing behind to start with. So we cross the left behind, right to the side, cross the left over the right. Hitch the right, and as you do so, make 1/8 of a turn to the right. So you should now be facing 7:30. Walk back 2 steps, right, left. Into a coaster step, squaring yourself back up to the back wall. Back close step. So you should now be facing 6 o'clock. That set of steps once more then. Weaving to the right, half on the left. 7, 8. Behind, side, cross, hitch, back, back, coasters, cross. Actually a coaster cross. Let's put it all together. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé. Cross, turn, turn, hitch, sway, sway, cross, point. Behind, side, cross, hitch, back, back, coaster, cross. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross shuffle, left over right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross shuffle, right over left. Nice easy section, let's just add that on. That takes us to our halfway point. Weaving left then, off on that right. 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé. Cross, turn, turn, hitch, sway, sway, cross, point. Behind, side, cross, hitch, back, back, coaster, cross. Side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, rock, cross, shuffle. For the second half of the dance then, we're going to start with a vine to the left with a quarter turn on the end. So step left to the side, right behind, quarter turn left as you step that left forward. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, skate forward, 3 skates, right, left, right. That set of steps once more then, vining to the left with that quarter turn on the end. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, skate, skate, skate. Now there is the equivalent of a 3/4 turn with that quarter turn vine and the step pivot half. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do is continue to do your vine, side, behind, make the quarter turn, but rather than stepping forward and turning left, step back and turn right. Then rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left and add your skates on. Non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 of a turn out. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on that right. Chassé to the left. Jazz box, quarter turn with a cross on the end. Cross right over left, step the left back, quarter turn right, cross the left over the right. That set of steps once more then. Cross rock off on the left. 7, 8, cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, cross. So add that to our halfway point. Vine into the left with a quarter turn on the end, left foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, skate, 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 cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, cross. Adding on a backward rumba box. 2 step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right back, touch the left beside the right. Left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward, brush the right. Nice and easy, just do that once more. Back rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush. Add that to our halfway point. Vining to the left, left foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, skate, 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 cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush. To finish the dance, into a rocking chair, right foot leading, step forward on the right, pivot quarter turn left, step forward on the right, pivot quarter turn left. So you should now be facing 6 o'clock. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair, 2 step pivots off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, pivot. Add that onto our halfway point, vining to the left. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, skate, 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 cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, rocking chair, step, pivot, pivot. So that is our 2 halves. Let's put them together. Weaving to the left, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, turn, turn, hitch, sway, sway, cross, point, behind, side, cross, hitch, back, back, coaster, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, skate, 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 cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, rocking chair, step, pivot, pivot. So that is your dance. Now there's not that many hand counts in it, but I'll go through it with the counts just so you can confirm where they are. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that just confirms where those and counts are in that dance. Now it is 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, turn, turn, hitch, sway, sway, cross, pull, behind, side, cross, hitch, back, back, coaster, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, skate, 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 cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, turn, turn, hitch, sway, sway, cross, foot, behind, side, cross, hitch, back, back, coaster, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, skate, 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 cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, rocking chair, step, pivot, pivot. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, right chassé. Cross, turn, turn, hitch, sway, sway. Cross, push, behind, side. Cross, hitch, back, back. Coaster, cross, side, rock. Cross, shuffle, side, rock. Cross, shuffle, side, behind. Change, step, pivot, skate, skate, skate. Cross, rock, left chassé. Cross, back, turn, cross. Side, toes, back, touch, back, toes, step, brush, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, turn, turn, hitch, sway, sway, cross, pull, behind, side, cross, hitch, back, back, coaster, cross, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, behind, turn, step, pivot, skate, 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 cross, rock, left chassé, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, brush, rocking chair, step, pivot, move, cross hinge, move, side rock, 5, cross rock, hammer, rocking chair, weave, cross hinge, weave, Stop. Time.
Good times are all gone, so
Pause
I'm
up.
bound for moving on.
Run
I'll
down.
look for you if I'm ever back
Rocking
this
chair.
way. Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way.
Hope you managed that one.